Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to put Face ID on the Messages app in iOS 18. I will also show you how to put passcode on the Messages app in iOS 18. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then go to Face ID and passcode option. Scroll down and tap onto this option and set up your Face ID or turn on passcode. And after saving your passcode or Face ID on your iPhone, then you have to find the Messages app on your home screen and then long press app. Then you have to click on require passcode or require Face ID option. As you can see, I didn't set up my Face ID here, so the option is not visible. So as I'm doing it here, require Face ID, tap onto it, or you will see require passcode or Face ID option on your iPhone. Simply tapping it will just open the app, so be sure to long press. Select require Face ID. Now whenever someone tries to open your message apps, Face ID authentication will be required. And that's it. Now your messages are protected with Face ID. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.